SRT Dad. This is footage on my new GoPro Hero 10. We're gonna go ahead and get the video started, guys. Earlier I went on a drive in the car. I did not go into 5K mode, which I'm currently in right now. I was just kind of messing around with it. I went to go play some basketball, so I decided to record my drive over there. But it wasn't 4K, like I said. This is 5K. This is how 5K looks like. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let's do a little quick unboxing of the GoPro 10, and I'll take you on that drive. So let's go. school these young fellas real quick. Alright guys, so here's the charger. This is 5K, I think I put it on just to mess around, guys. Even in the dark, it catches everything pretty good. As you saw on the drive, you know, it was getting dark and it still did pretty well. And that was in 4K, guys. Anyways, here's the car. I just cleaned her today, so she looks really clean right now. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a quick little drive. Like I said, I'm still new to this GoPro stuff. There's a lot of stuff I can do on it. So just be prepared to see a lot of content with the GoPro now. I am taking my car tomorrow to get that underglow lighting installed, and I'll have a video up hopefully by Sunday morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. You guys have a good day. Good night, I mean. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Please hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm SRT Dad.